Alright guys, 3 potatoes in. We're going to jump straight into this here. We got some superworms and some anoles here. We put them in probably 3 or 4 months ago, and they just started breeding all on their own. They weren't getting eaten by the anoles. Anoles really only like crickets. It's just how they are. Look at them going in on this potato here. Busting a hole up through there. I don't know how many superworms are actually in the tank, but it's quite a few. You can see the ground wriggling and moving there. Lots of movement under there. It's really interesting. It's just kind of creepy to watch, isn't it? And the lizards, look at the ground just wriggling and moving. One potato gone. See you later, baby. They're really working this other one over here too. And then they just didn't want that potato right there, did they? Wherever it is, somewhere. Alright guys, so there is my worms in the cage with an anoles. I'm doing this green screen you're seeing here with my new GoPro 7 Black. New to me, that is. Anyway, hey, thanks for watching guys. We'll see you next time.